Welcome back, everybody. This is Excel video 485. I'm Nate Moore. Talked to a group just the other day that said, hey, Nate, we're concerned about access to our practice. People think it's hard to get in to see our docs. What do we do? And we built several different data sets and pivot tables and emails to try to help them understand their practice. We're looking at third next available appointment. We're looking at canceled appointments. And can we get an email that says everything that's canceled, show us that in an email the next morning so we can fill those appointments. Show me the appointments that are available, the slots that are available in the next 2 days. Show me the unsold appointments, trend those by time, look at no-shows. There's a bunch of different ways to look at the access issue if you can get to your data. When you're ready to address a key issue in your practice, I'd love to help you. Past couple of videos, we've kind of done a fast overview of you can do this, you can do that, you can do this kind of approach to Power View. Now I want to slow down just a bit and say, okay, let's take one feature in Power View. Let's talk about how to sort the different types of visualizations you can see in Power View. So I've got a couple examples here. If I click on the field in this table, notice as I click, it will sort for me. And I'm not doing, A to Z or anything like that right now. I'm just clicking the heading and it will sort. And if I say, no, I think I'd rather sort the fee, now I'm going to do ascending, descending, and I can go back and forth. And it's just a matter of clicking the heading you want to sort by, and you're done. It's an easy way to sort. If you've got a matrix instead of a table, you have multiple columns, you can do one at a time. What if we sort this ascending, and then I can sort primary insurance descending, and referring group, I'll do that descending. And notice I can have multiple sort levels here, independent. This one's ascending and that one's descending. But if I come over to fee, now fee is going to take over and say, okay, now I'm going to do the fee overall. So those are your choices. If you can choose the different columns that are in your rows area over here in the pivot table, or you can just do the fee and sort it that way. Let's talk just for a minute about charts. If you have a chart and you want to sort that, here I'm counting patients by primary insurance. So I said, all right, if I wanted to sort that, notice as I hover, I've got this in pretty small font. It says sort by primary insurance and ASC for ascending. So I could always flip it and do descending, so now I'm going Z to A instead of A to Z. But the other thing I can do is if I click on the word primary insurance, what Power View will do is it'll say, oh, I've got another field I can sort by. I'll rotate or toggle to that. So now I'm looking at the count of patient. Now I've got patients from Z to A, and now I can go from descending to ascending. I can go A to Z, or smallest to largest. And so it's simply a matter of clicking on this little heading here that allows you to sort primary insurance versus the data in the field, and you can do whichever way you want. You can do that for charts as long as there's something to sort by. If you come over here I have a chart where I've got data and I could sort provider or count of patient. That's easy. But as soon as I say, well, let's move the provider, instead of being on the axis, let's move it to the legend. So I get a legend out over here. As soon as I do that, I lose my ability to sort in the chart. See, if I hover now, I don't get the little heading at the top here that goes ascending and descending, stuff like that. What I need to be able to sort is to just have data on an axis. Once I'm on an axis, then I get sort by and I can play. Just a couple of quick, easy ways to sort. Filtering's a bigger deal in Power View visualizations, and we'll talk about that in the next Excel video. Thanks for watching.